Hey everybody, this is Greg with Medical Muscle. I'm studying for a shelf exam currently. I'm doing Uworld questions. And I'm kind of early in my study block and I'm missing a lot of questions. I'm missing a lot. And this is a good reminder of something that I experienced when I was studying for step 1. So during step 1, I realized you can be one of two people when doing questions and doing poorly. Missing quite a few questions. You can get frustrated. You can feel like an idiot. And you can let that affect your motivation to keep doing questions, because it sucks to keep doing something and doing poorly and feeling like you're not understanding what's going on. Okay, it's a shitty feeling. And letting that stop your studying, because you don't want to study or do questions because you feel like an idiot because you're not getting any of them right. Or you can be this more logical, mature person. One who accepts that you're gonna miss a ton of questions. You're not gonna be one of those people who ace all these blocks right off the bat. Okay, it takes time. You have to understand how testing platforms work. You have to understand how the question makers make questions. You have to understand what you don't know. Okay, and through questions, you're gonna learn what you don't know and just use this as study time, because the whole point is that you don't miss the same type of question again on the real exam. So who cares? Who cares if you miss a bunch of blocks on Uworld, especially in the beginning? It's not really that important. As long as you understand what you don't know, you study it, you understand it, and then you don't miss that question again. So I only think there's two real losers when it comes to doing questions. The two real losers are letting questions upset you and giving up. That can happen. Or number 2, you blast through these questions and you're not you miss the same type of question again. That's a loser. Okay, so as long as if you're missing questions and you're not missing those same kind of questions again, then I think you're doing great. Okay, because again, who cares how you do on these things? The only thing that really matters is how you do on the actual exam. Okay, and if you don't miss that type of question on the actual exam, then you're a winner, not a loser. All right, guys. So I just want you to think about that when you're doing these questions. Just study. It's just a way to learn. Just a tool to help you learn. Doesn't mean anything. Okay. Maybe further along in the testing block, it might be a sign, you should be getting better. Your block should be getting better. But in the beginning, don't worry too much. All right, guys. I wish you the best of luck.